Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Philips earphones, and as you can see on the box, these are earphones. They have 10 speaker drivers. Let's see if we have any other features. You can take hands-free calls. You've got a 3.5 plug, and yeah, that's about. Oh wait, we've got some more features here. We've got a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 hertz, which is standard. We've got a 103 dB plus or minus 3 dB sensitivity. That means these are pretty loud. We've got an impedance of 32 ohms plus or minus 20%. 10 speaker drivers. But let's take a look inside the box. So let's keep that out of the way. So inside we've got the earphones themselves, and they are connected to a little, this is a inline mic. We've also got the make and receive calls button here. Let's get these earphones out. Okay, you've also got two pairs of additional earbuds. So you've got the small and the large inside, but assuming the mediums are on the earphones right now. And we've also got a little user pamphlet, which is also the warranty. Yeah, so let's keep this aside as well. Okay, coming to the earphones, there isn't anything else on the inline controls. We've just got the call and receive call button, and we've also got the mics here. The earphones themselves are pretty standard silicone buds. They use the bullet design that's pretty common right now. And yep, these aren't braided cables. Yeah, and that's about all there is to the Philips earphones. Thanks for watching.